Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best learning adventures are probably one of the most effective and enjoyable ways to supplement a 10-year-old's education, transforming screen time into valuable skill-building opportunities that foster critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity, all while keeping them engaged and entertained with interactive challenges and captivating storylines that make learning feel like play. Number 5. PlayShifu Orboot Earth Interactive Globe. Introducing Orboot Earth, the interactive globe that brings the world to your fingertips. It uses augmented reality to make learning about animals, places, and monuments fun and engaging for kids. Ignite your child's curiosity with over 1,000 facts and interactive games. This globe is designed to foster a love for learning and discovery in early learners and STEM enthusiasts. Help your child develop key skills in geography, problem-solving, and memory. Through engaging AR activities and quizzes, it promotes active learning and critical thinking. Encourage hands-on discovery with this unique interactive globe. It's perfect for homeschool or classroom settings, making learning an active and enjoyable experience. Embark on a global adventure with the included passport and stickers. This unique learning experience sparks imagination and supports your child's early educational journey. Enjoy years of interactive fun with games, quizzes, and activities. It's a valuable STEM toy that supports lasting developmental growth and keeps children engaged. Download the free Orboot app on your device to unlock an augmented reality adventure. It's compatible with most smartphones and tablets for endless interactive fun. What we like? Explore the world like never before with this interactive AR globe. It brings geography to life with over 1,000 facts and engaging games. If you are looking for a fun and immersive way to teach kids about different countries, animals, and cultures, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Simply scan over any place in the globe and you will be told about tourism, economics, animals, and customs of that location in the world. This AR toy gave me a great opportunity to help my little ones and learn with them. The globe isn't heavy like a traditional globe, but it is pretty sturdy. Number 4. PlayShifu Plugo Count Math Games. Introducing Plugo Count, an innovative AR-powered STEM gaming kit. It transforms your device into an engaging hands-on learning system for children. Your child can solve exciting story-based challenges using numbers and operators. It makes learning math fun and interactive. The accompanying app offers 5 free STEM games with over 250 levels to explore. The difficulty can be adjusted to suit your child's grade level. This toy is designed to enhance comprehension, critical thinking, and logical reasoning. It's perfect for children who love numbers and developing their mathematical intelligence. Inside, you'll find a foldable gamepad, count spike, arithmetic operators, and digit sets. Everything connects magnetically, and no Bluetooth or electronics are needed. It's compatible with various iOS devices including iPads and iPhones, as well as Samsung devices and select Amazon Fire tablets. What we like? This AR-powered math kit turns any device into a hands-on learning system for numbers and operators. It offers over 250 levels of engaging math puzzles and word problems. If your child loves numbers and you want to boost their comprehension and logical reasoning skills, this is an excellent option. What people say. The game is adaptable to various grade levels and targets key language concepts such as phonics, pronouns, spelling, sight words, prepositions, nouns, and verbs. The combination of hands-on play and digital interaction kept them interested for much longer than I expected. One of the best features is the ability to select different difficulty levels, so both of my kids could find something suited to them. Number 3. Snap Circuits Light Electronics Exploration Kit. Discover the exciting world of electronics with this amazing kit. It's a safe and fun way to learn the basics of electrical engineering, perfect for kids aged 8 and up. With over 55 colorful parts, you can snap together more than 175 different projects. It's like building with blocks, but with real circuits. Create dazzling light shows using fiber optics. You can even sync it with your music and watch your lights dance to the beat. Forget about complicated tools and soldering. Everything snaps together easily on the included grid, making building a breeze. Give the gift of endless fun and learning. This kit will keep kids engaged and creative all year round, and can be combined with other kits for even more possibilities. Join countless kids, parents, and educators who love our award-winning kits. They're recognized for quality, educational value, and sheer fun. What we like. Introduce your child to the exciting world of electronics with this kit that requires no tools. They can build over 175 different projects, including a dazzling light show controlled by music. If you have a child aged 8 and up who is curious about how things work and enjoys hands-on building, this is a fantastic STEM gift. What people say. The pieces are sturdy. The overall design and manufacturing is top-notch. As advertised, there are multiple projects to do. It starts simple, allows for easy success, and builds in complexity quite nicely. The parts really simplify circuit building, and the visual diagrams instructions were excellent. This kit starts with some simple circuits that illuminate LED lights that are immediately easy to achieve, and then kinda goes up and down in complexity. The build quality of the kit is superb. There are some really lovely touches, for example a flying spinner that's part of the kit is glow in the dark. The projects in the booklet are well described and easy to assemble, and the building blocks are designed in a way that it makes it easy to assemble the projects. Number 2. Skillmatics Train of Thought Card Game. Discover a fun way to connect with loved ones. Ask and answer thoughtful questions and complete challenges to build emotional bonds. This game is perfect for family game nights and brings people together. It's suitable for ages 6 and up, making it great for kids and adults alike. Engage in fun and meaningful conversations that help you learn new things about the people you care about. It's a fantastic way to foster honest communication. Simply draw a card and take turns answering questions. Be the first to collect sets of cards representing train compartments to win the game. Looking for a gift? This award-winning game is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion that calls for fun and connection. From silly to heartfelt, the questions encourage honest conversations. It's a wonderful tool for building trust and understanding within your group. What we like. This is a fun card game designed to foster meaningful conversations and emotional connections within families. It's easy to learn and perfect for game nights, encouraging players to share thoughts and learn more about each other. If you're looking for a way to bring your family closer and spark engaging discussions, this game is ideal. What people say. This game is amazing to have fun, but most importantly is that it can be used in classes to make students think and answer clearly, so if teachers want to enhance their students' fluency, this is it. Great game that allows for personal engagement and sharing. It captured their attention for long periods of time. This is a great game, however it does get old pretty quick because you run into the same questions once you play again. After a round we separated the questions we had already done, but after that you can imagine. 8 years old and 13 years old. Number 1. The World Game, Geography Card Game. Embark on a global adventure with the World Game, the ultimate geography card game. It's a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Discover the world by locating countries on the map, recognizing flags, and naming capital cities. It includes all 194 countries and a world map for comprehensive learning. Engage in friendly competition by finding the most impressive fact about a country to win. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your memory and intellect while having a blast. Suitable for everyone, regardless of their current knowledge level. This game is an excellent choice for kids aged 8 to 12 and makes a smart gift for teens. This award-winning learning card game is regularly updated with the latest country data. It can also be used as flashcards or for trivia nights. The more you play, the more you'll learn about our world. It's perfect for taking on travels or road trips, designed for 2 to 5 players ages 8 and up. What we like. This award-winning geography card game is a fun way to learn about countries, their flags, and capitals. It's designed to train memory and brainpower while playing. If you want an educational game that's great for travel, family game nights, or as a gift for kids aged 8 to 12 who love learning about the world, this is a top pick. What people say. This has been a fantastic resource for giving my homeschooled kids a much better grasp of world geography than I learned in public school. In an hour a week over the last couple of months, they've learned the majority of the countries in Europe, Oceania, and the Americas, and we're moving on soon to Asia and Africa. It's been a good springboard to more in-depth study of countries, but I like how it forces you into an understanding of the relative sizes and positions of places. Even if my kids can't point exactly to a country, they quickly learn a sense for where to look, which I consider one of the more important goals in teaching geography. The gameplay is snappy, essential for not losing your mind when playing with children, and the challenges and breadth of information mean it's still fun to play after you've learned every country in a region. The capital cities make for good quizzes when we're away from the table. Great educational game. If you want to have a fun guessing where countries are, their capital city, and what their flag is, along with other factoids about them, then I highly recommend getting this game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.